I'm getting a ticket for riding my bike not in the bike lane. I can't believe you're busting my balls. I'm doing the world a favor riding my bike. It's pouring rain out here.
You're doing the world a favor.
Yeah, look at this. Look at these assholes. Look at this guy. Double parked right here in a bus lane. You're not giving him a ticket.
Mail it in, guilty, not guilty. Everything you need.
What's the fine?
You're a bicyclist, so it's anywhere from $10 up to $130, depending on your record. But it's a bicycle summons. A bicycle summons is for not riding in a bicycle lane.
You know.
Lower. The red light summons.
So I got a ticket for not riding in the bike lane, but often there are obstructions that keep you from properly riding in the bike lane.
Listen up. As you've been hearing on our show and elsewhere, the police continue to crack down on biking infractions. As the number of bikers explodes throughout the city, ticketing is on the rise. Casey in Manhattan, you got a ticket this month?
Yeah, I got a ticket about 3 weeks ago for riding my bike not in the bike lane.
Not in the bike lane. Alex is holding up a sign that says, you could have just said it.
Oh, okay.
His sign says, not illegal.
Yeah.
I wish I had known that before I paid the $50 ticket.
Well, so